garage door opener light stays on continuously, here's how to fix that annoying issue fast. So, first off, check if the light bulb is just burnt out or messed up. Sometimes swapping in a new bulb can totally solve the problem. Then, take a peek at the timer settings on your opener. If it's set wrong, the light might never turn off. Also, keep an eye on the sensors near the door. If they're dirty or misaligned, the opener might think the door is open and keep the light on. Give those sensors a gentle clean with a soft cloth. If your opener has a manual switch for the light, try toggling it a couple of times to reset things. Another thing is to unplug the opener for a few minutes, then plug it back in to reboot the system. It sounds old school, but can work wonders. Lastly, if you still get stuck, look up your model's manual online for specific light timer adjustments, or call a pro before it gets worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring the simple stuff like the light bulb itself. They jump straight to complicated fixes when it might just be a bad bulb. Another common issue is not checking or messing with the timer settings properly, which controls how long the light stays on. So double check that. Third, people forget to clean or align the safety sensors, and that can cause all kinds of weird problems with the light staying on because the opener thinks something's in the way. Fix these by starting small. Replace bulbs regularly, understand how your timer works, and keep sensors clean and in place. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for finding trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable help, making sure everyone wins on their next big home project.